Hi, this is Panjali on behalf of Streamoy, again coming with a new video. Today's video is on kurtis and mixed bag collection will be there. Branded I will show, but in less number, but more non-branded designer pieces will be there. First, I will start with mushroom stole. Okay, a number of mushroom stoles. The last video on mushroom stole all are sold out. Actually, against these are restocked, and the booking procedure, you know that it's same, that you have to make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418. Starting with the mushroom stoles, red and black first, because those are always in high demand. Okay, this is the first one I'm showing in a hurry so that I can show a number of pieces. Red and black, those are in the range of 580, and the rest colored one, other colors, those are 480, the same range. Okay, this is the first one. These are stoles, these are not dupatta. Okay, again I am clarifying it, and these are mushroom. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, now moving towards the next one, it is black and red. I am showing first, a number of black and red is there, 580. See, I am showing you closely the design. Ajrak plain is there. This is the second one. Moving towards the third, again red. See, I am just showing you this is the block, okay, in the body, and this will be the lower part. Next, again another black is there with the same design, I think. Yes, same design. Just take screenshot and send it. At least one more please give an option, otherwise it's not possible, because all are single pieces. This is the body and this is the palla. All are mushroom stoles. Again this one is there, red. uh, Another last red. This is the last red. Okay, now moving towards few pieces of colored mushroom. In colored mushroom, 1 2 3 4, yes, 5 pieces are there. I'm showing you one by one. Green one, this is the first green one. Few pieces are there which designs are repeated, but maximum of them are fresh design. Okay, green one, these are 480. Okay, and next blue, a beautiful blue. This blue is just 480. Okay, and you know booking procedure, the shipping charges will be applicable. If through India Post, it will take time, then it will be within 70 all over India, within 500 gram. But if it is above 500 gram, the charge will be different. But through other post, the within 500 gram, the charge will be 90 minimum. Above, it is 130 and on. This is the next green one. Magenta, one single magenta is there. Yes, a beautiful magenta one. This is the magenta. All the pieces are really, I think all throughout the year you can use it with anything. I think with sari, with kurti, with top, jeans top also, scarf like you can all. Now moving towards next, kurti. In kurti today, first I will start with designer one. Few pieces of designer. This is Navranga, just arrived, but their just the quality is too good. I'm just using it for the first time. See, indigo with pure ajrak is there, 40 and 44. I'm first telling you the sizes. See how beautiful this is. The all over the ajrak, pure cotton one, no doubt about it. All over this light embroidery and sequence is there. These camels are also, this is ajrak. Okay, pure ajrak one, and see light sequence work. And this one is the indigo one. Ajrak with indigo, length is 46. 46 is the length, 40 and 44, and I think the 40 is slightly greater in size. I think it's according to measurement it will be more than 40. Okay, 40 and 44 both the sizes are there. Moving towards the next, this is uh, raw silk digital print branded, 40 and 44 again, and this is a party wear. Just wear it singly, just wear it. A beautiful this is silk is there, and all over light embroidery work is also there. These flowers are embroidered. Okay, here this is, see, this type of gitti work is also there. The length is 48 plus, 40 and 44. Two sizes are there, 890, and all over the inner one, see this type of uh, piping is also there. 40 and 44, 890 is the price of this one. Moving towards the third one, first I am showing you the branded pieces, then I will move towards the non-branded. A number of non-branded pieces are there today, and those are just too good. 40 and 44 again, raw silk again in stock. As it is festive time is going on, you have to attend a number of birthday, anniversary and so on. I think these are perfect. See, handwork is there, raw silk, pure raw silk. It doesn't need any inner. So I am showing you this is not at all transparent. Okay, all over this embroidery is there. The color is just too good. 40 and 44, it is in the range of 980, raw silk 980 branded. Moving towards the another piece, pure ajrak. Again, actually today a number of 40 and 44 is today, and plus size is also there. Today number of plus size also there. 40, this is actually a aligned dress. It is dress, it is not at all only kurti. This is dress, one side pocket, a beautiful pocket is there. See the pocket, see, align cut. Okay, 40 and 44. See, length is 48. This type of embroidery. See, mirror work and embroidery, one side pocket, align cut, 40 and 44. A beautiful one. Okay, it is in the range of 890. 890 is the range. Moving towards the next one, all the pieces actually branded as well as non-branded today, all are equally beautiful. Moving towards the next one, branded. This is two extreme sizes are available. One is 40 and another is 48. I am showing the 48 one. 40 is also available. What a bright, beautiful piece. Length more than 48 actually. Length, side cut kurti all over. This gamcha embroidery is there. See, all over. In sleeves also branded, all over this embroidery is there, and it is in the range of 950. Size, two sizes are there, 40 and 48. But from I think I have to announce one thing, that from next video, the plus size which are branded, that will be charged a little bit higher than that of the other pieces, because they are increasing the rate for plus size. 50 to 70 rupees will be higher for plus size. Now few pieces of single available pieces. Okay, this one just only 40 is available. This is a gown, actually branded, single piece is available. This is, see the neckline, crochet work is there here. Here also multi ajrak with sequence, and sequence work is, I think it is, see the ghera, multi ajrak with sequence. Length is 50, 40, size is 40, only 40 size is available. 1350, only single piece is available. Now moving towards non-branded. In non-branded today, first I will start with Kantha. Okay, a number of designer Kanthas are ready. Different sizes, all designs are different and sizes are also different. This is the first one, 42. Okay, 42 is the measured size. See, all over Kantha, these are in the range of 850, all over. Okay, in sleeves also this Kantha work is there. This is 850. This is the first one. Length is 44. 44 is the length for the first one. Moving towards the next one, it is in the size of 48. 48 for 46 as well as 48 you can take this. See the beautiful work. Hand Kantha, black. The previous one is navy blue. This one is black on which multicolor hand Kantha is there. 48 is the size. The next one, it is 42. Please listen carefully about the sizes, because if you just give a screenshot and saying that I want this but in a different size, it's not possible for me. What a beautiful piece. Cream beige is the color on which just reverse Kantha work is there. See, all over. This is two shades of brown is used and a beige is also used. See, 850. All are in the same range, 850. The next one, 44. Different sizes are there today. It is written 44, but it is not 44, it is 42. 42, it's not 44. 42 is the size. Okay, 850. And the last one, 46. 46. It is navy blue, not black. Okay, navy blue multicolor. 46. All are in the same range. Moving towards the next non-branded pieces. In next one, today, few pieces with designer Dabu with Ajrak is there. The first one, the bottle green one, it is available in two sizes, 40 and 44. 3/4 sleeves will be there. I am showing you the 40. The sizes are perfect in this designer pieces. Sizes are always perfect. 40. And the same piece is available in 44 also. See, light hand Kantha is there here, and this type of indigo Dabu block, Ajrak border, beautiful premium range of khadi cotton is this. And I am showing you the sleeves. In sleeves, border must be there. Just a minute. There it is. Yes. See, this border will be there with the khadi ones. So the bottle green one, 40 and 44. Next, the light green one, only 38. 38 is available. Beautiful piece. 38 3/4 sleeves will be there. Okay, these are in the range of 850. 850 is the range for this. Then comes Begumpuri. It's again back. Two sizes are available, 38 and 42. 38 and 42 pure. This one is 38. Pure Begumpuri weaving fabric is this. I'm showing you the Begumpuri. This is the border Begumpuri weaving. All over this Kantha weaving fabric. This fabric is just weaved. And see, beautiful Kantha work is there. And this Begumpuri border. Okay, two sizes are there, 38 as well as those who are 38. A number of pieces are there. Please listen carefully and don't skip the video. Please like and subscribe our channel if you like it. And for booking, the booking procedure, you have to make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number. 8910156418. This is 890. Two sizes are there, 40, 42 and 38. Moving towards another color of this, only single size is available on this design, that is 42. The beautiful magenta one, 42 is available. See, beautiful one. It is the same range, previous range 850. The green and the bottle green. Mickey, very just okay. বেরিয়ে এসো, বেরিয়ে এসো, বেরিয়ে এসো, বেরিয়ে এসো, বেরিয়ে এসো, একদম ঢুকবে না ওখানে। কতবার বারণ করেছি ওখানে ঢুকতে? ভালো করে কথা বললে কিছু শোনা যায় না, সবসময় বদমাইশি করতে হয়। কাজ করছি দেখতে পাচ্ছে না। Moving towards the next design, it is again dabu with ajrak with hand katha, size 38. A number of designer 38, 40 is available today. So those who are small size, just grab it. I think these are perfect. Pure dabu hand block. The back will be plain. Angrakha style is there. You can tie a knot here. Okay, and this is katha work, and in sleeves also this dabu with ajrak. These are the length of all of these are 46 or 46 plus. Okay, 890, 890 is the range. The next one, it is size is 46, single piece is available on it. 46, beautiful dabu block with indigo with hand katha. 850. See, 46, just a beautiful color combination. This type of a pocket, designer pocket is there also. See, in both, in one side just a designer one, a beautiful green with a pink dabu. Okay, 890 is the price for this one. Again, another few pieces of shawl material, that is thoughtful material, woolen kurtis. 3 pieces just left. I am showing you these. The first one, it is 44 size, single piece available, blue. Okay, blue with multicolor embroidery, multicolor hand embroidery is there, and corsul material. I think for this winter you can easily. 680, 680. Next 2 pieces, again corsul, but these are low in range, only and only 390, 390, size 42. It is written 44 but it is 42. Corsul material, length 44. This is the back. Okay, the material is woolen material. The same piece in just different color, red with white. Okay, this is the next one. Now moving towards few more pieces of non-branded in this plus size 48, 46 and 48. First one 46 one, but it is measured written 46, it is measured 48. Okay, 48 is the size. Beautiful piece, light hand paint and sequence is just highlighting it with a beautiful pocket, a designer one, actually 48 size designer one. Length is 47 plus, 47 plus is the length. These are 550, sorry, 550. So 2 more colors are there. One is this gray one and another one is there, this is navy blue one. All are in the same size and same range. Now plus size 50, 48 and 50 size. I am showing the 50 size. 2 pieces are there, both are same in the size 48 and 50. Both are there. Pure premium quality, soft, too soft material, extremely good quality cotton. 550, 40. I am showing the 51. It is fully measured 50, premium in quality, light hand katha work is there, just too soft, beautiful quality. 48 and 50, 550. This one is the 51, 48 is also available. See, okay, light beautiful piece. Moving towards the next, it is a indigo series, again in stock. The first one, it is in the size of 44. All are indigo with light hand embroidery one. This is 44. Okay, light hand embroidery one, beautiful quality, premium quality cotton. See the block. Okay, I am showing a number of pieces of medium range so that for daily wear you can take it. Okay, 590, the first one. Moving towards the next one, again 590, size 44. I have the same piece, beautiful one. See, one side pocket is also there, 590. And the last for this indigo, this is 42. This is not 44, this is 42. All over same design with highlighting. 590 is the price for this one. Now moving towards a beautiful Align dress. I showed it's for the black one previously. It's again 40 and 44. Align cut and fish cut. Actually this is fish cut. Front is low in length and the back. Actually it is a dress. You can wear it as a dress or as a kurti. See, the lower part, it is the length of 48 plus, and this one is 45 or 46, the front one. Okay, Align cut, fish cut, pure premium quality cotton. One side, a boutique designer piece actually it is. See the back. Okay, it is, and the range is according to its design really 690. Two sizes are there, 40 as well as 44. Just grab it, it's a beautiful one. Moving towards the next, a number of non-branded pieces are there. These two are branded, tag is also there. This one is rayon. Okay, 42, and these are only and only 450, 42. See the neckline, it is a Yufta. This brand is there, 42 in size, 450 only. Another piece is there on pure cotton one. It's a designer one. Just see the piece, 550. Again a beautiful cutting. Front is low. Okay, you have to wear it as a kurti, or you can, no, it is as it is cut is there, you have to wear as a kurti. But the design is this type of Align cut with back, and see the back design, both are different. This is the back, okay, and this one is the front. Isn't it a beautiful piece? I think it's a just pure cotton one, 580. 580 is the price for this one. Now few pieces of just too low range. These are 200 in 200 only, size 38, 36 or 38 batik, pure batik. 200, 36 and 38 is the size. 30 for 36 I think it's better, 36 or 38. Four colors are available. I am showing it. If you have like to have, two pieces will come in a single shipping. You can, for daily wear you can use it. Moving towards another pure Ajrak one. Just I am showing some premium pieces as well as some no, this one I will not, this brand set, not Ajrak one. This one is Ikat printed. Ikat printed, size 44. Sleeves are attached inside, size 44. Ikat print. Okay, see the neckline, a beautiful neckline is there, and in back this type of latkan, pure cotton one, length 44, and I have to check the sleeves. Yes, short sleeve will be there, not 3/4. It is short sleeve will be there, size 44. 380. Two colors are available. Both the colors are equally beautiful. This is the sea green and another darker shade of peach. Both the colors are in the same range, 390. 390 is the range for this one. Moving towards pure Ajrak, but in low range, size, first one I am showing you 44. This one is 44 written, but it's for 42. Pure Ajrak mix and match with one side pocket is also there, length 44. Pure Ajrak one. This is not Ajrak print. This is pure Ajrak one. See the back. Both side pocket is there. Okay. No highlighting is there. Simple sober piece. 42. 580. Another color is there. This color is really beautiful. 580. For 42 or you can order this one. Okay, a green with yellow with pocket. Okay, 580 is the range for this one. Then I will show last two non-branded pieces and I will conclude. This one is size again 44, indigo, pure indigo, malmal cotton, premium quality with ajrak, kalamkari is there with highlighting, with embroidery. See, this is the neckline and angrakha style is there, pure indigo one. Length is 46 plus. Okay, the quality is too good. 690. 690 is the price. The last one, pure indigo 790, size 42, pure indigo with ajrak mix and match. See the block, one side pocket is there, really beautiful. Okay, this is in the range of 790. That's all for today. If you're interested, please make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418. Thank you.